Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see reminders. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we're on the dashboard. Reminders can be added in the Enquiry, Support, and Task sections to ensure timely follow-ups and smooth workflow management. All the reminders you set will be displayed on the top right corner of the dashboard, where you can easily view and manage them. They act as alerts that notify you about upcoming activities, deadlines, or tasks you have scheduled for future date. By setting reminders, you can stay organized, avoid delays, and ensure that no important inquiry or task is overlooked. We will first set a reminder on the inquiry. To do this, go to the left menu panel, open Workflows, and then select Enquiry Tickets. Then click on the Add New button. There are some mandatory fields that need to be filled. For example, here I am selecting the contact person as Akhil Gupta, and in the inquiry description, I am entering requesting product specifications and commercial terms for pen drives. And if you want to assign the inquiry to someone, you can either select a user from the drop-down or create a new one. Here, I am selecting Anjali from the drop-down. In the pipeline field, I am choosing busy sales, and the stage will be automatically filled based on the selected pipeline. However, if needed, you can also change the stage manually using the drop-down as per your requirement. After this, in the Next Action Date field, you can either select date from the calendar or enter it manually. Once the next action date is filled, the reminder option becomes visible, allowing you to set a reminder as needed. As soon as you click on the reminder option, a set reminder pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, the reminder date will be auto-filled with the same next action date you selected earlier. You can update this reminder date either manually or by choosing a new date from the calendar. Please note that the reminder date must always be after the current date and within a valid future range. It cannot be set for the past. If you don't want to set a reminder, you can click Cancel, and the clear option indicates that no reminder will be applied. After setting the reminder, I am clicking on Save to confirm and store all the details. After filling in all the required details, I am clicking on Submit to save the inquiry along with the reminder. Once saved, we will go to the inquiry list, where all inquiries are displayed. Now, we will check whether the reminder we set is visible in the Reminders icon. To view the updated reminder, you may need to refresh the page. As soon as you refresh the page, the reminder count will increase in the Reminder icon. Once you click on the icon, you will be able to see all the reminders listed there. Inside the reminder list, you will be able to view important details such as the contact person, description, next action date, reminder date time, and how much time is left for the reminder. If any inquiry is unassigned, it will be distinctly marked in the reminder list as unassigned. If the reminder is assigned to someone, the entry will be highlighted with a blue boundary, showing that it has been assigned. You can also see the current stage of the inquiry or support ticket. Additionally, if any inquiry, support ticket, or task has crossed its due time, it will be marked as overdue, displayed in red text, and its boundary will also appear in red, making it easily noticeable that follow-up is needed. An important point to note is that when you click on an unassigned inquiry, support, or task, it will directly open in the Call Explorer. From there, you can view all the relevant information and update the inquiry as required. Similarly, if the inquiry, support, or task is already assigned, it will open in the Status Update screen, where you can review the details and make any necessary updates. From the Status Update screen, you can make necessary changes and, if required, set a reminder along with the next action date. After updating the details, simply click on Submit, and your reminder will be successfully set and updated in the system. After refreshing the page, you will be able to see the updated reminder displayed in the reminder list. We have already seen how reminders are set for inquiries. Similarly, you can follow the same process for support as well. These steps remain exactly the same. Fill in the necessary details, set the next action date, apply the reminder if required, and then submit the entry. Once done, the reminder will reflect in the reminder list after refreshing the page. And if you want to set a reminder for a task, then go to Workflows from the left side menu and click on Task. As soon as you click, you will be able to see all the tasks. From there, click on the Add New button to create a new task and set your reminder. When you click, a form will open. In this form, you need to fill some necessary details. For example, in the task description, I need a follow-up for this task. And if you want, you can also assign the task. Here, I am assigning it to Anjali. Next, in the action due date, we will enter future date either manually or by selecting it from the calendar. As soon as we fill the date, the reminder icon will appear. By clicking on the reminder icon, you can set your reminder. The reminder date should always be greater than the current date and less than the action due date. After selecting the date, click Save, and the reminder will be successfully set. Then, click Submit, and your task will appear in the task list. To verify whether the reminder is visible, refresh the page. Once refreshed, the reminder will appear in the reminder icon list. Here you will be able to view all necessary details. The process remains the same here as well. If your task is already assigned, it will appear under the Status Update section, and from there, you can make the required updates. And if the task is unassigned, it will directly open in the Call Explorer, where you can view its details. Additionally, if required, you can also set reminders through integrated tasks, which provides an easier and more convenient way to manage them. We have now seen how easily reminders can be set for inquiries, support, and tasks. This helps ensure nothing is missed and work stays organized. Overall, reminders keep activities timely and well managed. Thank you.